everybody, another day of phonics. The sun is shining brightly, it's only 10 minutes. Let's do our phonics before you can go enjoy this sun. Okay, bounce my sounds 3 times. Well done. Amazing. Fabulous sounding. A sound we practiced yesterday. A, A, A. Ooh, ooh, ooh. A, A, A. E, E, E. I. O, O, O. O, O, O. And again back to the front. Wow, fabulous. Oh, you're so good at these sounds. Well done, everybody. We have a new sound again today. Are you ready? Listen to my words. My turn, your turn. See if you know what the sound is. Pull. Pull. August. August. Launch. Launch. Pull. August. Launch. Pull. August. Launch. Pull. August. Launch. Oh, this is quite a tricky sound today. Think of the sound we had yesterday. Oh, that might give you a bit of a clue. Have you brought your phone in, fingers? Yes, we have. Yes, we have. Your word is audit. Are you ready? Audit. First sound, or. Second sound. Third sound. Fourth sound. Well done. Audit. Aud. It. Audit. What about August? August. My birthday's in August. That's a little secret you didn't know. August. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fourth sound. Fifth sound. Fantastic. August. August. 5 different sounds. Okay, next word. Auto. Auto. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Amazing. Auto. 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 On your own, can you do automatic? Automatic. If you drive, sometimes you can buy a car that is a manual, or you can drive an automatic car. Automatic, off you go. You need 2 hands for this. Two hands. Automatic. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you have it? Are you ready? Automatic. How many sounds? 8 sounds. Give yourselves a round of applause if you got that right. Oh, that was super hard. Okay, I'm going to be a robot, which means you're going to be a... Yeah, you're going to be a blender. Check your arms working. Whew, get them warmed up. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Fantastic. Haunt. Brilliant. Are you ready? Launch. Brilliant. Launch. Launch. Brilliant. Blending, everybody. Your next word. Are you ready? Brilliant. Haunted. Oh, have you ever been to a haunted house? Oh, you might be scared just like me. Are you ready? Audit. Audit. Brilliant. One more. Are you ready? Auto. You know that one. Auto. Brilliant. Okay, your turn to be the robot now. Show me if your arms are ready. Oh, they're really ready this morning. Your word is fraud. Beautiful. Fraud. Amazing. What about autograph? Auto, which we've done. Auto. But I want you to do autograph. Have a go. Autograph. Well done. It's autograph. Amazing. Last one. Launchpad. Launchpad. Oh, these are super long words today. Launchpad. Launchpad. I'm going to give you a really big high five. That was fantastic, everybody. Who thinks they know what this sound is? You're right, it is. It's or sound. Today it's this or sound. Yesterday we practiced this one, or. Now we're practicing this one, A-U. My turn, your turn. Diagraph. Diagraph. A-U. A-U. Or. Well done. Or. Fantastic. 2 letters make 1 sound. Amazing. And our sound is or. Okay, we are going to read some words that have the or sound in them. When we're reading, what do we do? Okay, so I look at the letters, I make the sound, and I blend the sounds together. I've got it. Have you? Okay, here we go. Or, pull. Oh, what do we notice about this word? You're right, it has a capital letter, which means it is a name. Yes, this is somebody's name. Pull, well done. August. August. Sorry, that was my fault. August. August. Oh, this has a capital letter. Is this somebody's name? No, well done. It's a date, so it still has a capital letter. Fantastic. It's one of the months of the year. Next word. That was really long. Did you get haunted? Oh, you don't need my help anymore. Next word. Launch. Well done. Long word now. Take a deep breath in and out. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, that was super hard. Let's do it together. Ready? Automatic. I am so impressed. Today you have been a superstar. We've done reading, which means it's time for writing. Whiteboards, pens, papers, pencils, get them ready. Let's get rolling. I've got mine ready. When we write, what do? Yes, we do. We say it, then what do? We finger it and then we write it. Your word is audit. Audit. Say it. Audit. Sound it. Audit. Audit. The or sound that we have practiced today. The O and the A and the U. Sorry, not the O. Audit. Audit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audit. Audit. Brilliant writing. I can see that word. And you use cursive today. High five. Super impressed. Your next word is August. It's a month of the year. What does it have to start with? Capital letter. Let's go. August. Finger it. August. 5 sounds. Write them down. Capital letter. August. Tricky word, that one right there. August. Start with a capital A to begin with. There's a little clue. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. August. August. Really, really good. And well done for remembering that capital letter. You are smashing this phonics in lockdown. Well done, everybody. Last word for today. Shall I give you a super tricky one? Are you sure you're ready for it? Okay, automatic. Let's do it together. Automatic. 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 Woo, super long, this one. Not for this one? No, well done, because it's not a name or a place or a date. Automatic. Super long word right there. Let me just check. Automatic. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Automatic. Automatic. Curly cur. Automatic. Really impressed with your writing. Challenge for today. Can you think of at least 5 words that have an AW and 5 words that have an AU in them? When you do that, I know that you have really been practicing your phonics. Well done, everybody. See you soon.